Memory management in Python. In Python, memory allocation and deallocation are done during runtime automatically. The programmer need not allocate memory while creating objects or deallocate memory while deleting the objects. Python's PVM will take care of such issues. In Python, strings list functions, everything is considered an object. Even modules are objects. For every object, memory should be allocated. Memory Manager inside the PVM allocates memory required for the objects created in a Python program. All these objects are stored in a separate memory called the heap. Heap is the memory that is allocated during runtime. Its size depends on the RAM of our computer, and it can increase or decrease its size depending on the requirement of the program. The actual memory, RAM, is allocated by the underlying operating system. On top of the operating system, the ROP memory allocator oversees whether enough memory is available for storing objects. On the top of the raw memory allocator, there are several object-specific allocators that operate on the same heap. These memory allocators will implement different types of management policies depending on the type of the objects.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.